but what side's gonna give us more curl definition? Moroccan Red Clay or Bentonite clay? Comment what you think before you see the answers down below. Let's hop in the shower. What's up guys, and welcome back to JoJoButter. So one way that I like to get super defined curls is by using clay masks. Clay masks are amazing for your hair and scalp because it's a great way to detoxify. Clay masks can remove a lot of impurities and chemical or product buildup without stripping your hair of all the moisture like shampoo does. Clay masks also provide a lot of minerals and nutrients to your hair and scalp to make it strong so that your hair can grow nice and long. And if done properly, clay mask is an amazing way to get natural curls on thick or coarse hair. So originally, this video was going to be a how-to on how to make a DIY clay mask and how to apply it to your hair for curls. But then I started thinking, what clay mask was I going to show y'all? Bentonite clay, which is really popular in the natural hair care world, or Moroccan Red Clay, which is one of my favorite clays. So then I thought, let's turn this into a comparison video, because I never see any answers on which one is better. So we're about to find out today. I'm about to split my hair up, and we're gonna see if Moroccan Red Clay or Bentonite clay gives better curl definition. But before I do that, I'm about to show y'all how I made these clay masks. Let go. What's up guys, let's dive on in. So I'm going to start with 1/3 cup of Bentonite clay and add that into one mixing bowl. Then I take 1/3 cup of Moroccan Red Clay and I add that into the other one. After I grab some extra virgin olive oil and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon into each mixture. Extra virgin olive oil is amazing at nourishing the hair and the scalp. Then I grab some castor oil and I add 1 tablespoon into each mixture as well. It's very thick, so it helps with defining natural curls very easily. Then I take 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar and I add that into each mixture as well. This is great for dandruff, dry scalp, flakiness, and balancing the pH level of your scalp. Then I take 2 tablespoons of purified water and I add that into each mixture so that we can get it to a nice consistency. After that, I'm going to start to mix it up. Bentonite clay absorbs 3 times its weight in water, so you're definitely going to need to add some more water to this mixture so that you can get it a bit more smooth so that you can apply it easily. You want it to look something like this. Moroccan Red Clay does not absorb that much water, so the ingredients that are already in it should get it to a nice smooth consistency. Keep mixing until it looks as smooth as this. Once you've done that, you're all ready to apply. Alright, so now that you know how to make both of those clay masks, it's time to apply. So my hair is dry right now. I did have it washed earlier. I used a co-wash because I don't like using shampoos. But my hair is still very, very dry, and you're going to want to apply this to some wet hair. So I'm about to section my hair, and then we're going to apply this. I find that you get the best curl definition when you do apply this to soaking wet hair. I know a lot of people that apply it to dry hair, but that's normally just for detoxifying. We're using this to get curl definition and to detoxify and add minerals. So applying it to wet hair is the best way to get every strand coated with this clay mask. And it's probably safe to say you don't want to wear your best white shirt when wearing this. You probably actually don't want to wear a shirt at all. Now I'm going to apply a light leave-in conditioner so that I can detangle this hair and really work the clay mask into it. So now that I finger detangled my hair, I'm going to add a little bit more water so we get a little bit more slip. Alright, so I think I'm going to start with the Moroccan Red Clay. I keep slapping this shit in my eye. I just finished applying the Moroccan Red Clay and everything got red. So just a little heads up to you, if you decide to do this, there's no heads up. I don't know what to do. Lay down some plastic. I just don't know. This is everywhere and I don't know what to do. But let's hop on to the next section. Alright, so just like the left side, I'm going to apply some water to here, and I'm also going to apply some conditioner so that I can detangle this and work the clay mask in there. Okay, always have a backup, because these shits like to stop working, and now it's working. Okay, just showed me. I always get embarrassed during these videos. You're kidding me. Okay. And like I said before, always have a backup. One thing I always loved was when companies would say use a dime size amount. Coarse hair, black hair, ethnic hair, and dime size don't mix. We need a football, or else you're gonna rip everything out. Alright, let's apply this. I'm trying my hardest to really watch my face while I'm doing this and not talking, so I probably make the ugliest faces, so excuse me. This ain't a beauty contest. Okay, so already it looks like this is curling more. It could be because I just applied this, but the shrinkage is real on this side. To be honest, I'm acting like I know where I'm putting this right now, but I could be putting this on the red side. I cannot see back there. I'm just hoping I have it equally separated. And I see the red. So no, I don't. Alright, so we finished. Before I even look, I'm gonna let y'all look at the back. And let's just hope that I did it evenly. Now we're really just going to be reviewing the front curls, so it don't really matter but it matters to me. Alright, so now that all that's done, I'm gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes and then I'll be back to wash it all off. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes and so far it's looking like the Moroccan Red Clay is doing better for curl definition. I know when I was putting it on, it was a lot easier to apply the Moroccan Red Clay than it was to apply the Bentonite clay. This side feels a bit more stiff, while this side looks like it definitely has a lot more shrinkage. But I wonder at the end when we wash it out, which one's gonna look and feel the best. Let's hop in the shower. I'm using a shirt to dry my hair just because it creates less frizz than using a towel. And we're about to see what's happening. Alright. So, I think they both did a great job with curl definition, because if you remember the beginning of this video, my hair was a little poofed out. But I'm gonna give the winning to Moroccan Red Clay for curl definition. Now I know for impurities and detoxifying, Bentonite clay is probably the best, but in terms of getting popping curls, you might wanna hop on that Moroccan Red Clay. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know which one you thought was gonna win. If you're surprised that the Moroccan Red Clay did better curl definition, if you agree that there's better curl definition with the Moroccan Red Clay, and if you've tried either one of these before. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time at JoJoButter. We out. How about like, if you love your mom, like this video. Yeah, gonna start getting bold with it. If you don't like it and I know you watched it, then I'm telling your mom.